Welcome to Tech Coding channel. Today we are going to discuss important dates of the month of September. We get 2 to 3 marks on these important dates questions in every competitive exams in general studies paper. Here we can discuss both international and national important dates and their themes. Before going to the topic, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video to your friends, click the notification button. Let's go to the topic. Second September. 2nd September is the World's Coconut Day. 5th September. 5th September is the International Day for Charity. 5th September is a National Teachers Day. 8th September. 8th September is the International Literacy Day. The theme of International Literacy Day is literacy, teaching and learning in the COVID-19 crisis and beyond. Here they can ask the question, what is the theme of International Literacy Day in the year of 2020? You can tick as a literacy, teaching and learning in the COVID-19 crisis and beyond. 9th September is a international day to protect, educate from attacks. 10th September. 10th September is a World Suicide Prevention Day. The theme of World Suicide Prevention Day is working together to prevent suicide. 12th September is an International Day for South-South Cooperation. 12th September is a World Postcard Day. 14th September is a Hindi Divas or Hindi Day. It is an important question repeated in lot of the competitive exams. Please remember that 14th September is a Hindi Divas or Hindi Day. 15th September is a Engineering Day. 15th September is a Engineers Day. It is also important question. It is a repeated one in some of the competitive exams in central wide. 15th September is an International Day of Democracy. 16th September is an International Day for Preservation of the Oxygen Layer. The theme of International Day of Preservation of the Oxygen Layer is Oxygen for Life, 35 years of the ozone layer protection. The theme of this International Day for the prevention of the ozone layer is Ozone for Life, 35 years of ozone layer protection. 17th September. 17th September is the World Patient Safety Day. The theme of World Patient Safety Day is Health Worker Safety, a priority for the patient safety. You can remember that the World Patient Safety Day of the theme is for 2020. The theme is Health Worker Safety, a priority for patient safety. 18th September is the World Bamboo Day. Theme is Bamboo Now. 18th September 2020 is the World's Water Monitoring Day. Theme is Solve Water. 18th September is the International Equal Pay Day. 19th September is the International Coastal Cleanup Day. The theme of International Coastal Cleanup Day is Achieving a Trash-Free Coastal Line. 21st September is the World Ajmer Day. Let's talk about Dementia. 21st September is the International Day of Peace or World Peace Day. The theme of International Day of Peace or World Peace Day is Shaping Peace Together. For 2020, the theme of International Day of Peace or World Peace Day is Shaping Peace Together. 22nd September. 22nd September is the World Rhino Day. The theme of World Rhino Day for 2020 is Why Rhino Species Forever. 23rd September, International Day of Sign Language. The theme of International Day of Sign Language for 2020 is Sign Languages Are Forever for Everyone. The theme of International Day of Sign Languages for 2020 is Sign Languages Are for Everyone. 23rd September, International Day of Sign Languages. 25th September is a National Antyodaya Divas. 26th September is a World Environment Health Day. The theme of World Environment Health Day for 2020 is Environmental Health, a key public intervention in disease pandemic prevention. The theme of World Environmental Healthy Day for 2020 is Environmental Health, a key public intervention in disease pandemic prevention. 27th September is the World Tourism Day. The theme of World Tourism Day for 2020 is Tourism and Rural Development. 28th September is the International Day for Universal Access to Information. The theme of International Day for Universal Access to Information for 2020 is Access to Information, Saving Lives, Building Trust, Bringing Hope. 28th September is World Rabies Day. The theme of World Rabies Day for 2020 is End Rabies Collaboration Vaccinate. 29th September World Heart Day. The theme of World Heart Day for 2020 is Use Heart to Beat Cardiovascular Disease. 29th September 2020. 29th September International Day of Awareness on Food Losses and Waste Reduction. The theme of International Day of Awareness on Food Loss and Waste Reduction for 2020 is Stop Food Loss and Waste for the people, for the planet. 30th September International Translation Day. The theme of International Translation Day for 2020 is Find the Words for the World in Crisis. Please subscribe my channel, like and share the video to your friends. If any queries, please comment in my comment section.